Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to become a millionaire investing in stocks. What if I told you that becoming a millionaire is not only possible but is achievable if you start investing today? The truth is, most people work hard for their money their entire lives, but the wealthy people make their money work for them. And if you're working in a corporate job like I do, running a business, or you're even just starting your career, the biggest financial mistake that you can make is not starting to invest early. And in today's video, I'm going to show you why investing is key to financial freedom. Secondly, how millionaires actually build their wealth, and how you can start investing today using the platform that I personally use. And if you're new to investing, stay till the end because I will show you how you can start investing with free stocks and guidance. Most people believe that the path to wealth is simple. That is, work hard, earn money, and save the money. But here is the problem. Saving money alone will never make you rich because inflation is constantly reducing the value of your money. If you leave your money in the bank earning maybe 1% interest, inflation might rise to like 4 to 5% per year. And that means your money will be losing its value every year. And this is why wealthy people invest. When you invest in companies, you are buying ownership in the business, and that grows over time. Think of companies like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. These companies didn't become massive overnight, but they grow over decades. And investors who believed in them early became extremely wealthy. So the real question is not, should you invest? The real question is, how soon can you start investing? And by the way, if you're watching this video and you're serious about learning how to invest, just comment interested below. I will personally send you the link to the platform I used and guide you on how to get started. How millionaires actually invest. Most millionaires are not lottery winners. They are investors. And in fact, one of the richest investors in the world, Warren Buffett, built the majority of his wealth through investing in stocks. His philosophy is simple: buy great companies and hold them for the long term. Another example is Elon Musk. A huge part of his wealth is tied to companies like Tesla. Even founders and CEOs invest heavily in the stock market. Why? Because ownership builds wealth. When you own shares in a company, you're not just working for money anymore. You have assets that are generating money for you. And over time, thanks to compound growth, your investments can grow exponentially. That's the power of compounding. Let me show you something powerful. Imagine you invest £300 every month or $300 every month. If the market grows on an average of 10% a year, after 25 to 30 years, that investment could grow to hundreds of thousands or even £1 million. And the crazy part is, most of that growth happens in the later years because of compounding. Compounding is basically your money earning money, and that money earning more money. It's like planting a tree. At first it grows slowly, but after many years it becomes massive. This is why starting early is one of the biggest advantages you can have, even if you start small. Now the question becomes, how do you actually start investing? The platform I personally use is Trading 212. What I like about this platform is the fact that it's beginner friendly, and you can invest in global stocks, you can buy fractional shares, you can track your portfolio easily, and you can start with small amounts. This means you don't need thousands of pounds to begin, and you can literally start building your portfolio step by step. And the most important thing is consistency. It's not about timing the market. If you're someone who wants to start investing but doesn't know where to begin, just comment interested below. I will send you the link I used to join, and I'll also share you my promo code, which can actually give you free stocks when you start investing. And more importantly, I can share you the basics you can use to avoid beginner mistakes. Now, personally, my strategy is simple. I focus on strong companies with a long-term growth potential. That is, companies that are shaping the future. For example, sectors like technology, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, healthcare innovation. These are industries that are likely to dominate in the next 10 to 20 years. Instead of trying to trade every day, I focus on long-term investment, because historically, long-term investors almost always outperform short-term traders. Consistency beats luck. So my goal is simple: invest regularly, hold strong companies, let compounding do its work. The difference between someone who becomes financially free and someone who struggles financially often comes down to one decision, and that is, did they start investing early or not? You don't need to become rich to invest, but investing can help you become rich over time. Whether you are working a corporate job like I do, you're running a business, or you're just starting your career, learn to invest. And learning to invest is one of the most important financial skills you can develop. If you want to start investing and learn the basics step by step, just comment interested below. I'll send you the platform link I use and my promo code so you can receive free stocks when you start. And I'll also guide you on how to begin building your investment portfolio. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to start investing today. Because the earlier you start, the closer you get to your financial freedom. Also, I'm going to paste the link to my investment portfolio. You can click and then you go to the app, you download it and you sign up and start investing. And if you have any questions or doubt, you can always comment below and I'll be there to help. Have a great day and see you in the next video.